8:35 here on BoxBusters.tv. Guys, we're doing 6 boxes, half of this case, 2014 Hot Rookies. Guys, thank you so much for joining in. And as you can see, it's a sealed case. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Hot Rookies. There's 12 boxes there. We're just going to do this right-hand side. So I'll save this for another day. These ones. Six boxes. There we go. 6 boxes. Good luck, guys. We're in box 1. There we go. Box 2. Empty. Let's do the fat packs first. Here we go. When we get to the hits. Doug Martin, Jordan Cameron, blue, Matty Ice out of 79, the Falcons. And that's it. Matty Ice, 79. Anquan Bolden out of 79. 49ers, blue. Base. We'll save the thin packs for last. Here we go. Out of 50, Archer. Sharif Jenkins out of 35 for the Buccaneers. Josh Huff out of 99. Troy Nicholas out of 9. Manziel out of 79. Kevin Norwood out of 79. Odell Beckham Jr. out of 20. That's pretty good. Odell Beckham Jr. out of 20 for the Giants. Aaron Murray out of 99. Cyrus out of 79. Anthony Barr out of 50 for the Vikings. Pretty good pack. Excuse me. Pretty decent pack. Flip. What do we got here? This is Chris Hogan. Autographed jersey for the Buffalo Bills. Congratulations to the Bills. Chris Hogan for the Bills. Franchise RG3. Air Marshals die cut. Jordy Nelson. Jordan Cameron for the Browns out of 25. That's pretty cool. 23 of 25. Jordan Cameron. There we go. Jordan Cameron. Andrew Luck, Air Marshals for the Colts. Can you guys hear me okay? What's up, everybody? Here we go. Mike Evans, Aaron Murray rookies, Ed Reynolds for the Eagles, Khalil Mack, Jimmy, Josh, James White for the Patriots. Alright, here we go. What do we got here? Greg Childs, Dante Moncrief for the Colts out of 25. Greg Childs, Dante Moncrief out of 25. And you guys got 150 points. So that'll be randomized after the end of the break. Top team. So we'll see how many we get of those. David for the Steelers. Autograph. And then we got Connor Shaw at 99 for the Browns. And then we got Troy Nicholas for the Cardinals. There we go. Alright. The first two boxes, guys. Here we go. Box 3. Empty. Box 4. Empty. Right, here we go. And scan. So we're gonna go like that. Here we go, guys. Base, Jeremy Gresham at a 79. And base. Flacco out of 79 for the Ravens. Scorecard, Larry Fitzgerald out of 99 for the Cardinals. And base. Here we go. Stephon Taylor autographed jersey for the Cardinals. Congratulations to the Cardinals. Stephon Taylor. Cardinals. Airmail, Tom Brady. Rookie Aaron Donald, 35 for the Rams. approved. And your rookies. Allen Robinson, gold. Tevin Reese out of 50. Chargers. And your rookies. Colin Kaepernick Air Marshals, and our favorite guy, Joseph Randle. Autograph jersey for the Cowboys. Joseph Randle. For autograph, hey, this is pretty cool. Mike Evans. It's not bad. Out of 75 for the Buccaneers. Mike Evans. Mike Evans. For the Buccaneers. 150 points, guys. Randomized at the end of the break. And Tevin Reese for the Chargers. Autograph. There we go. Chris Rainey for the Steelers. Austin Jenkins, Buccaneers again. And Hageman out of 50, purple for the Falcons. All right, here we go. Last two boxes, guys. Thanks again. Empty. Box 2. Oh, actually, box 6. Box 6. Skinnies on the bottoms, fat on the top. Here we go. Oh, this one's. Oh, look at that. They're all numbered. Wahoo! Sherman out of 35. Johnson out of 99. Ridley out of 20. Manti Te'o out of 35. Guys, this is a rare pack. Out of 99, Sheldon Richardson. Terrence Williams out of 79. Gold, Mike Glennon out of 50. Lamar Miller. These are pretty rare packs. Out of 99, Malcolm Smith. Out of 79, Troy Polamalu. Out of 99, Santana Moss for the Redskins. Out of 35, Nate Washington for the Titans. Out of 50, Marvin Jones. Out of 79 for the Bengals. Jared Allen out of 99 for the Vikings. Matt McGlone, 79 for the Cowboys. Zach Stacy, 99 for the Rams. Marcus Ware out of 99 for the Broncos. Out of 35, Ben Roethlisberger. Julio Jones out of 50 for the Falcons. Chris Johnson, 75 for the Titans. Brandon Marshall, 99 for the Bears. Julius Thomas, 79. Cameron Wake, 99. Calvin Johnson out of 35 for the Lions. Brian Rockefeller, 50 for the Redskins. Out of 25, Arian Foster 99, Antonio Brown, Anquan Bolden out of 79, Vaughn Miller out of 35, Andrew Luck out of 99, Alshon Jeffrey out of 50, and J.J. Watt out of 79. Guys, that's pretty cool. All insert numbered cards. Very nice. Congratulations, guys. That's huge. Very cool there. Congrats. Here we go. Hot rookie box. Very awesome. Here we go. Nick Foles out of 50 for the Eagles. Brian Hartland out of 79. And base. Woohoo! Guys, I'm going to refresh real quick. Guys, back. Hello. Alright, let's continue. Here we go. Jarvis Landry. Aaron Donald out of 79 for the Rams. And there we go. Yeah, people are saying that I'm trying, man. I gotta fix my, turn up my camera. So, it's all being recorded. RC Jones, when I record it, I'm a lot louder. And then when I'm going through it live, my voice is a lot softer. So I'm going to have to look into that. So, here we go. Russell Wilson, Air Marshal. And Nile Davis, autographed jersey for the Chiefs. Yeah, I apologize. If you guys want to ever see a recap of the video, it's just on my channel, Mater35. You guys can also request it. Just email me and I'll drop you the link. Franchise Drew Brees. That one pack is pretty rare, man. That's crazy. Unreal. Kadeem Carey out of 99 for the Bears, rookie. Khalil Mack, Robert Heron. Yes, I do. Taking off. There we go. Sean McCoy, Dexter Jackson, Airmail, Cameron Wake, autographed jersey for the Dolphins. Cameron Wake. Oh, here we go. Odell Beckham Jr. out of 25 for the Giants. Boom alert. There we go. Congratulations to the Giants. Odell Beckham Jr. out of 25. Congratulations. Very cool. Very nice. Aaron Donald out of 50 for the Rams. And you got a 250 points, guys. Randomized at the end. Last pack. Good luck. Oh, another 250 points. Justin Brown and Ty Boyd for the Jets. Steelers and Jets. Then you got another 250 point. There we go. I already broke it, R.C. Jones. I already broke it, sir. It was before this one. Brother. Ty boy. It'll be up on YouTube. Need my YouTube channel? It's downloading right now. There we go. Alright, give me 1 second. One second, man. There it is, sir. Alright, guys, let's get this randomized real quick with all the teams. You bet. Okay. Well, the video will be clear, man. Sometimes it's the site I can't do anything about it. So I apologize. But I record everything, brother. Alright, guys, here we go. Alright, guys, you got 4 winners. The top 4 winners. The first 2 get 250 points, place 1 and 2, and then 3 and 4 get 150. Alright, so there we go. Get points. So. We'll go to dice roll first. Here's a dice roll. What's up, Edel? Going 11 times, guys. 11 clicks. 11 times. Top 4 get points. 1. Bears are on top. 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11th and final time, guys. 11th and final time. Here goes. 11. Panthers gets 250 points. Vikings 250. And Redskins 150. Chiefs 150. They're your winner, guys. 11 times. Dice roll is 11. Guys, Matter 35 here. Boxbusters.tv. Just complete a half a case. 2014 Rookie and Stars. Guys, thank you so much for participating. Hopefully we'll see you around. Thanks again.